This is a 2010 Hyundai Genesis. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 4.6-liter V8, and a clean, non-smoker interior. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, heater vents for rear-seated passengers, and this vehicle has less than 63,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.